I'm going to show you how to create a poll using Socialmonials campaigns. So to get started, we're going to go to the campaigns page and click Add New. And we're actually going to use a photo gallery template. So let's start with this. We're going to say use this template. And as you can see, this is really designed to be a photo gallery, but there's other things that we can do with it to make it work really great as a nice poll. So as you can see down here, there's little hearts that would allow people to favorite a particular entry versus another one. So I'm going to show you guys how to create a poll with 3 different pairs of shoes that people can vote on. And it will keep track and it will display which one's winning. So let's go ahead and do that now. To be honest, I've never done this, so we're going to do this together. First thing I'm going to do is go back to settings, and let's change this to an appropriate name here. We're going to call this the shoe poll. Notice how collect photos is checked. We're going to leave that checked, but keep this in mind for later because we will be changing that. And none of the other stuff matters because nobody is going to be submitting any forms in this particular campaign. And I'll get back to that as well. So what I'm going to do now is go in here. I would normally change this logo out with mine. And what I'm going to say is, instead of loving our latest products, clearly I'm not in the shoe industry, and that'll become abundantly clear when I show you my shoe selections. But I think you guys get the idea. So give everybody the call to action in the header to vote for their choice. Let's go a little smaller on this. 32, but we'll go bold. Okay, that looks good. I think we're ready to launch. What I might want to do though, so where's this testimonials? That's not really true. So I'm going to go to the content area, and instead of testimonials, I'm just going to remove that. Okay, good. And don't worry about the upload a photo. Again, I will show you in a minute why you don't care. You don't even care about the thank you screen or the entry screen. And I'm going to go to save and deploy. So what you'll immediately want to do is go add your choices. So what I'm going to do is go to the live campaign and upload a photo. I downloaded some shoe images before this. So here's one, and I'm going to say option 1, and we're just going to use our own email for each of these. Great. So we want to enter another one. What I'm going to do is go into another private window so I can enter as somebody else. I'm going to enter the second photo. None of them will show up until I go approve these. So I'm just going to rapidly add all of these. We'll just call it option 2. I'm not being very creative here. There's no rule against entering more than once, so you can just use your same information every time. All right, now I'm going to go enter my third in a private window. Oops, shoe number 3 is not coming up because I downloaded the wrong kind of image. So what I'll do is just make this a 2 shoe poll. So sorry to disappoint. All right, let's go back to Socialmonials and approve these entries. We're going to go to approve customer photos. Great. So with that approved, I'm going to go and show you how it looks so far. We're not done yet. But so far we've got our two options here, but we're not done yet because we don't want people to be uploading photos. We just want them to vote. So what you can do now is go back to your campaign, edit, and deselect the collect photos option, and then save and deploy. So now when I go back and refresh, with any luck, that button will disappear. Good, it's gone. So now what we've got is your logo and your poll question, your call to action, and you let them vote. So now you can collect votes on both of these and your poll can go on. With some custom CSS, you can even make your name here disappear. Another thing you could do is leave this blank and make the name option 1 and option 2. That would be a lot easier than trying to hack the CSS to hide this particular element. So as you can see, you can have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 choices, and these poll choices would just stack below. I'm really curious to see what you guys do with this. Create a poll and share it with us at support@socialmonials.com, and maybe we'll publish it so other people can see what you guys did. Thanks a lot.